But let's speak with Eicher Motors. The management is waiting by to give us a sense of the recovery which is building in the commercial vehicle segment, volume growth trajectory that we are seeing currently, which are the factors which are aiding this surge in the CV demand. That's something that we'd like to understand, and whether or not they have any electric vehicle plans going forward. So let's welcome on board Vinod Aggarwal, the CEO at V Commercial Vehicles. He joins us on the show right now. Mr. Aggarwal, thanks so much for taking the time out and speaking with us. Is your company all set to break the duopoly of rivals like Tata Motors, Ashok Leyland, which are on the rise on the back of a rebound in the commercial vehicle space?
No, absolutely. I think commercial vehicle industry now is absolutely on the upswing, and November was a bumper month. And I think whatever drop was there in Q1, bit by bit, every month we have recovered now. And if you look at YTD November, the overall industry, both heavy duty trucks as well as light and medium duty trucks, we have the YTD growth of almost 10% now, which was a drop of 25% in Q1. So the entire industry is doing very well now.
Okay. The big question then, Mr. Aggarwal, is that you're seeing a subdued freight demand coupled with the government's push on infrastructure development. That also, I guess, must be triggering a volume rebound for you. What in terms of a volume trajectory can we expect from you going forward then?
No, going forward, we are very bullish for the balance 4 months, because we don't see any negative factors now. I think the infrastructure, as you mentioned, is definitely one positive factor, and apart from that, I think replacement demand is very strong, and there are overloading restrictions now in various states. So because of which I think more fleet is required. At the same time, with the GST implementation, all the initial teething troubles, all those are also one by one they are behind us now. So that is also positive, because you see a lot of migration that is happening in the higher tonnage trucks. Like if earlier you were buying 16-ton trucks, now you are buying 37, 31-ton trucks. Or earlier, if there were less tractor trailers, now the growth in the tractor trailer market is huge. It's almost growing by 40-45% on YTD basis. So you see a lot of migration that has happened to the higher tonnage trucks, migration to the better technology trucks, because you need more efficiency in the market now. Infrastructure is better. There is a lot of optimization that has happened because of GST in the logistics as well as warehouses. So these things are very positive for the industry. And then coupled with the overloading restrictions, I think the industry is on the upswing. Except for the buses industry is down. So the haulage is doing very well, but if you look at the bus segment, the industry continues to be down, and that is one reason is it is still reeling under the impact of pre-buying that happened in BS3 regime before March. I think that was very strong pre-buying, and because of that, Q1 was not so good, but that impact is still continuing, and there are also some impact of GST, because there were a lot of unorganized bodybuilders. So they are having some trouble after the GST. So buses are still down, but the haulage sector, I think that's growing very well.
Mr. Aggarwal, are electric trucks on the cards too?
Not electric trucks. I think the first it will be electric buses, and we are already working on it. And 2 or 3 buses are already on pilot basis with some of the customers, and we have got some more orders for pilot buses. And the first bus, it will be the 9-ton bus, 32-seater, and that's already in the final stage, and it will be available for any customer from March or April. So I think we are in advanced stage to introduce the electric bus.
Now, Mr. Aggarwal, at DT now we celebrate the spirit of Rise with India. So we have a Rise with India question coming for you, and my Rise with India question to you is that can your commercial vehicle break the duopoly of Tata and Ashok Leyland? The CV market is dominated by just 2 players. You are a new entrant. but you are not present in all categories. In next 5 years, do you think the CV market in India could be a 3-player market?
No, definitely. I think in any mature market, there will be 3 or 4 strong players, and you know, we are coming out with better and better technology products. Now we are present in right from 4-ton to 49-ton products, and we have incorporated lot of Volvo Group technology into our products. So I think with more and more better technology products available, and the entire economic environment also is encouraging more better technology trucks. So with that being the situation, I think we will continue to have good growth in the heavy duty segment, and heavy duty segment is where this duopoly is very strong. So my own opinion is that we will continue to grow very well, and definitely in any market, any mature market, there will be better space for more than 2 players.
Okay, Mr. Aggarwal, you know, your volume trajectory has seen a sharp rebound over the last few months. Let's talk about the most recent sales numbers gone by for the month of November. Was it the subdued underlying freight demand that led to the growth, or inventory build-up, and how sustainable is this?
As far as we are concerned, we never believe in the inventory build-up. So it's the regular demand. Our wholesale and retail are almost equal, you know. So we work with an inventory of around 2 to 3 weeks with the dealers and 2 to 3 weeks with us, and that's the maximum level we work on, and we don't allow the inventory to go beyond this point. And then of course the market is good now, and this is all based on the regular demand in the market. And if you see our volumes, we are doing very well in the you can say the light duty trucks. For example, 1049 truck that we introduced around 2 years back. There we have reached a volume of now almost 250 units per month, which was last year it was only 100 units per month. And similarly, if you look at 12 to 15 ton trucks, that market is also growing very well, and we are also doing very well there. If you look at multi-axle trucks, which is 37 ton trucks, there also we are growing very well. And then if you look at the tippers, which are construction trucks, that is another potential area where we will do very well. Now, if you look at the tractors, that market is growing by almost 40 to 42%. Now, there we will introduce more products in the coming quarter, and then there also currently, of course, we are not selling as much volume as we should, but with the introduction of more products, you will see better traction in the tractor trailer segment also from our side.
Yeah, that Mr. Aggarwal, and good luck with the future quarters ahead as well. I'm sure we'll speak again once your volumes do continue to be on the rise, and we'll chat once more then.